By working 6 hours daily, 25% can do a piece of work in 8 days. In how many days can 10 persons finish the piece of work by working 6 hours daily? Welcome to MathGip. Today we are starting exercise 2.3 class 6. It's a unitary method. Let's start. So we have to understand the question. Here is mentioned 6 hours. If 25% work, then the work need to finish 8 days. Same working hour, if work 10%, we need how many days need to finish? So we can write first answer 25 persons 6 hours working need to finish need how many days? 8 days. So one person 6 hours working need more days, right? So 8 times 25 days. Now if 10% work 6 hours working need 8 times 25 by 10 days. So we can divide this 8 by 2, so it will be 4, and 10 once divided by 2 it will be 5. 5 can divide by 5, so it's a 25. So 4 times 5 is a 20. It means we need 20 days. Answer 20 days need. Question 24. A school student cross 10 kilometers in 2 hours by cycling from his house to school. How many kilometers does he run 6 days, and what is his speed? So first, cross 10 kilometers in 2 hours from his house to school. So first we can write he runs in a day equals to 2 hours. So what about 6 days? So he runs in 6 days, 2 times 6 hours. So in 2 hours he cross 10 kilometer. So in 1 hour he cross 10 by 2 kilometers, and then in 12 hour he cross 10 times 12 divide 2 kilometer. So it will be, we can divide 12 by 2, so 6 times 10 60 kilometer. So in 6 days he cross 60 kilometer. Now we have to find out speed per hour. Speed per hour. How? It's a very simple thing. He runs 2 hours and complete 10 kilometer. So 1 hour he complete 10 by 2 kilometer. It means 5 kilometer. So his speed, what is his speed? His speed what? 5 kilometer per hour. Number 25. Working 10 hours daily, Robin crosses 480 km in 12 days. In how many days can he cross 360 km walking 9 hours daily? So, first in 12 days we have to find out how many hours. So Robin works, we can write works in one day 10 hours. Right, here is a 10 hours. So works in 12 days. So 10 times 12, it means 120 hours. Okay, so he crosses 480 km in 120 hours, right? So he crossed 1 kilometer in 120 by 480 hours. So he crossed 360 kilometer. So 120 times 360 divide 480, right? So what will be the answer? 0 and 0 out. By 12, once you divide 36, here is 3, and divide by 12, this 48, we will get 4. Again 120 divide 4, here is what? Here should be 30. So how many times need? 90 hours. Okay, so we get the answer by hours, but our target to find out how many days. Here is mentioned he crossed 360 km walking 9 hours daily. So now we can write he works 9 hours in daily or one day. Our target to find out the days, right? So one day. So he works 1 hours in, it should be 1 by 9 day. And finally he works 90 hours in 90 by 9 day. So it will be 10 days. Okay, so our answer is 10 days. Question 26. Jalal crosses 9 km path in each 3 hours. How many hours does he need to cross 36 km? So first, Jalal crosses 9 km by 3 hours. So Jalal cross 1 km by 3 by 9 hours. So Jalal cross 36 km by 3 times 36 by 9. So 36 by 9, it would be 4. So he needs 12 hours. So answer 12 hours. Number 27, 6 workers can reap crops of field in 28 days. In how many days will 24 workers reap the crops of that field? So it's a very simple things. 6 workers can reap in 28 days. So one workers can reap in 28 times 6 days. It means need more days. And finally 24 workers can reap in 28 times 6 by 24 equals to, so 24 divided 6, it's a 4, and 28 by 4 is a 7. So need 7 days. Okay, so our answer is 7 days. Number 28 is a very interesting question. 2 men can do the same amount of work that 3 boys can do. It means 2 men work and 3 boys work are same. Now 4 men and 10 boys can do piece of work in 21 days. We have to find out in how many days will 6 men and 15 boys do that work. So we have to convert all the work, either boys or either men, right? So first we can write like the work of 2 men can do 3 boys, right? So the work of 1 man can do 3 by 2 boys. So first here is 4 men. So the work of 4 men can do 3 by 2 times 4 boys. It means 4 divided 2 is a 2, so 6 boys, right? So here 4 men, it means 6 boys. Okay, so it's the first thing. So 1 man, it means 3 by 2. So the work of 6 men equals to 3 by 2 times 6 boys. So 6 divided 2, it means here is a 3, 9 boys. It means 6 men equals to 9 boys. So here mentioned 4 men and 10 boys. So 4 men and 10 boys equals to 4 men means 6 boys and plus 10 boys, that means 16 boys, right? Again here is mentioned 6 men and 15 boys. Again 6 men and 15 boys equals to 6 men means 9 boys plus 15 boys. It means 15 and 9, it will be 24 boys. Okay, now here 4 men and 10 boys together can do a piece of work by 21 days. So 4 men and 10 boys, it means 16 boys. We can write therefore "16 boys can do by 21 days." So 1 boys can do by, it will be need more days, it means 21 times 16 days. And finally 6 men and 15 days, it means 24 boys. 24 boys can do by 21 by 16, divide 24, and here is days, right? So after calculation, it will be what will happen? So we can divide this 16 by 8, here is 2, and once we divide 24 by 8, it will be 3. 21 by 3, it will be 7. So 7 times 2 is a 14 days. Okay, so how many days need to complete the work? 6 men and 15 boys, it needs 14 days. Very simple. Okay, so number 28 done, and we are starting now with the last math of this chapter, which is number 29. Number 29, here is 3 questions together, it means it's a CQ question. Question is, Alif can complete a piece of work in 20 days. Khalid can finish the same work in 30 days. Their daily wages are 500 taka and 400 taka. 500 taka is for Alif and 400 is Khalid. After working 3 days together, Khalid completed the rest of the work alone. Our first question, what part of work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? So A, so first we think this is a work, okay, but we don't know the unit of work. So let's say this is a work. So we can say let a piece of work is one part. So we have to find out the what part of work can Alif and Khalid do in 1 week, 1 day. So first, in 20 days, Alif can complete one part of work. So in 1 days, Alif can complete 1 by 20 part of work. So that work Khalid can finish same work in 30 days. Again, in 30 days, Khalid can complete one part. So in one day Khalid can complete 1/30 part. Okay, so Alif can complete 1/20 part and Khalid can complete 1/30 part. So together, so in one day Alif and Khalid complete 1/20 plus 1/30 part. Okay, so what will be the result? We can make LCM. LCM should be 60. So 60 times 20 divide 20, it will be 3. So here is 3, and 60 divide 30, it will be 2. So answer is 5/60. So 1, and here is 12. Once you divide this fraction by 5, so 1/12 part complete in one day. Okay, so number A done. Number B, in how many days did the work get finished? Look, here is mentioned after working 3 days together. After working 3 days together, Khalid completed the rest of the work alone. So first we have to find out by 3 days how many part can be completed. So from A we can write together complete in one day 1/12 part. So together complete in 3 day 3/12 part, that means 1, and here is 4. So together by 3 days they complete 1/4 part. This part. So till how many part left? Now rest of work. Whole work is 1 and complete 1/4. Then we can make LCM. So here is 4, 4 minus 1 part. So finally 4 minus 1 is a 3, 3/4 part. Okay, these 3/4 part will complete by Khalid, right? So now again we can say one part of work Khalid can finish by 30 days. So 3/4 part of work Khalid can finish. So here is 30 days times 3/4, right? So what will happen? 30 can divide by 2, it means 15, and 4 can divide by 2, it's a 2. So 15 times 3 is a 45/2 days. 45/2 days can finish 3/4 part. Now to complete whole work, to complete whole work, so first 3 days this part complete, and 3 by 4 need 44 by 2 days. So total days 3 plus 45 by 2 days. So LCM 2, 6 plus 45, it means 51 by 2 days. So we can say they need 15 1 by 2 days. It means 25 and half days need to complete the work. So we can say in 25 1 by 2 days the work can finish. Okay, so number 21 of B done. Now last one, if they each of them individually finished 5 by 6 portion of the work, find out the ratio of wages they are entitled to. So it's an important question. We already know that Alif can complete piece of work in 20 days, right? So full part, it means one part can finish by 20 days. So this one we can write by, no, we can write Alif can finish one part of work by 20 days. So Alif can finish, here is mentioned 5 by 6 portion, it means 5 by 6 part of work. So 5 by 16 divide 5 by 16 times 20, right? So what will be the answer? We can divide this one by 4. So 16 divide 4 is a 4 and 20 divide 4 is a 5. So 25 by 4 days. So what is the wages of Alif? Their daily wages are 500 taka and 400 taka respectively. So we can say, so Alif wages one day 500 taka. So Alif wages, here is 25 by 4 days, so it should be 25 by 4 times 500 taka, right? Then 500 divide 4, we can divide, it will be 500 divide 4, so it's a 125, right? 125. So 125 times 25, it's 3125, 3125 taka. This is the wages of Alif for 25 by 4 days, right? Again, Khalid can finish one part by 30 days. So Khalid can finish 15 by 16 part by, so this is 30 times 15 by 16. So once we calculation, we can divide this one by 2, so here is 15 and here is 8, right? Then So 15 times 5 is a 75 by 8. So again, so Khalid one day wages 400 টাকা. So Khalid here is 75 by 8 day wages 400 times 75 by 8 টাকা. So we can divide this 400 by 8. So 50, that means 50 times 75, it will be 3750 টাকা. Okay, now ratio, we have to find out the ratio of the wages Alif and Khalid. So Alif has 3125 is to 3750. So finally we get 5 is to 6, and this is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. Finally we complete the big chapter of exercise 2.3. Here is 29. All the math we are trying to solve smoothly. I hope you understand everything, but if you have any question or any confusion, please write a line in the comment section, and you will get all the math in description box. So please subscribe my channel Math Jeep, and thank you very much class 6 students. It's a very important chapter for a real life. Thank you.